So when you're placing the jack, you want to make sure you line it up with the car's lift points, which you can see in the car manual. Hand crank it up to the lift point, so that way you can get it lined up before you start cranking on it with the bar. So, once you get the tire lifted up, you want to spin freely. When loosening the nuts, make sure you have it positioned on nice and tight. And then don't use your arm strength. Use your whole body weight. Just get up to this hand, and it'll twist right off. And repeat. Proceed to jack up the car. You want to loosen your lug nuts. Now that your lug nuts are off, grab the tire with both hands and just start twisting. Give it a good hit, and it'll come right off. And then on comes your spare. You want to make sure to line up each of these holes with the bolts. And just grab the tire from underneath. Use your foot. Underneath it is a little bit of leverage. Lift it on up there. And then turn. Push it right on there. Hand turn the lug nuts first, because otherwise, if you try to crank them on with the bolt with the wrench, you will strip them, and then that won't be fun for anybody. Take your wrench, put on your lug nuts, tighten them by hand at first, and then crank them down with your body weight. And when you're putting on lug nuts, you want to make sure that you do it in a star pattern. This will ensure equal distribution amongst the lug nuts.